Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you class? Mukadimah harap kamu berada dalam keadaan yang sihat. Alright, for today's class, we will take a look on Unit 1, which is towns and cities, and we will focus on language focus, which is comparative and adjective. Alright, so okay, this is just for your information. The content standard communicate simple information intelligibly and recognize and reproduce target language sounds. And learning standard for this topic will be found out about the describe experiences up to now, and you will recognize and reproduce with little or no support a wide range of target language phonemes. Alright, so let's start. Okay, aim for this topic is I can compare things, and we will learn about first adjective, and the second one is comparative adjective, and the last one how to form comparative adjective. Okay, we will see. Okay, first adjective. What is adjective? Apa adjective ni? Okay, an adjective is a word that describes or tells us more about a noun or pronoun. Okay, adjektif ni kata sifat yang mana kita ada satu perkataan yang kita describe, kita memberitahu tentang sesuatu itu. Okay, look at the example. Okay, the girl is pretty. The girl is noun, yang kalau hijau tu the green one is noun, and pretty is adjective. Yang biru tu adjective. Okay, kita nak describe gadis itu cantik. The girl is pretty. Girl is noun and pretty is adjective. Okay. Okay. See, look at second example. She is busy. She is noun and busy is adjective. Kita bagi tahu ya, gadis itu sedang sibuk. Okay, kita mendescribe, kita akan menerangkan tentang gadis itu. Kita describe, that is adjective. Okay, she is busy. So next. Okay, comparative adjective. What are comparative adjective? Okay, comparative adjective are used to show comparison between two nouns. Okay, bila ada dua nouns, kita akan buat perbandingan antara dua nouns. No, okay. Okay, when we compare to the two nouns, for example, things or animals or people, we can see the differences. Okay, bila kita buat perbandingan antara dua benda ini, contohnya benda atau binatang atau orang, kita akan nampak perbezaan. Okay, bila kita nak compare ni, when we compare the two nouns, kita guna then. We use then when we want to compare two things. Okay, when you compare these two monkeys, can you see the differences? Okay, tall and short. Okay, kita tengok these two monkeys, kita nampak perbezaan dia, tall and short. This is we call comparative adjective. Okay, so the next one, how to form comparative adjective. Okay, macam mana kita nak membina comparative adjective, pembandingan adjective ni, kata sifat ini. Okay, we will divide this topic into three parts, which are short adjective, long adjective, and irregular adjective. Okay, note the rules given are general rules that are commonly applied. There are exceptions for the certain adjective. Okay, ni secara general, secara umum sahaja. Okay, dia ada beberapa pengecualian ya, untuk certain adjective, untuk beberapa adjective. Okay, kita tengok first one, the short adjective for one syllable adjective. Okay, kita macam mana rule-nya adalah kita kena tambah er, add er at the end of the adjective. For example, old. Bila kita tambah er, the comparative adjective older. Fast, kita tambah er, faster. It's become faster. Okay, the third one, dark. Bila kita tambah, kita nak jadikan comparative adjective tu, kita tambah er di belakang, dia akan jadi darker. Okay, the exception here, right exception for the right word, wrong word, real and fun, no er. Kita tak boleh tambah er di situ. Okay, This is for the short adjective. Yang pendek saja. Old jadi older, fast, faster, dark, darker. Okay. Next one. For short adjective juga, for one syllable adjective that end with E. Okay, rule dia kena tambah R. Mana-mana adjective yang berakhir dengan huruf E di belakang, kita kena tambah R di belakang, tambah lagi R. Okay, look at the example. The syllable adjective ends with E. For example, nice. Okay, kita kena tambah R di belakang. Rule dia mesti tambah R di belakang. Okay, the comparative adjective will become nicer, late, later, safe, safer. Okay, semua syllable adjective yang ends with E, yang berakhir dengan E, kita tambah R and it's become this. Comparative adjective dia nice, nicer. Okay, this is for the adjective that end with E. Next. The short adjective, syllable adjective that end with Y. Okay, apa-apa adjective yang berakhir dengan Y, rule dia macam mana? Change that Y to I and add ER. Tukar Y yang terakhir itu dengan huruf I dan tambah ER. Okay, for the example say, happy, the Y at the end of the happy word, kita tukar kepada I. Okay, and the comparative adjective will become happier. Tiny, Y at the end, kita tukar kepada I and tambah ER, it's become teenier. Okay, and busy, it's become busier. You should remember this. Okay, the syllable adjective that end with Y. The rule, change the Y to I, tukar Y terakhir itu kepada I and tambah ER. Okay, so the next one, syllable adjective that end with consonant plus vowel and plus consonant. Okay, adjektif yang berakhir dengan huruf consonant dan ada huruf vowel dan tambah consonant. Maksudnya apa? Ends with consonant, huruf consonant, dan vowel, huruf vokal, dan ada consonant. Macam mana rule dia? Double the last consonant dan akhirnya tambah ER. Okay, kita tengok contoh. The big one. Okay, look at the example. Big. Big, ia berakhir dengan the adjective that ends with consonant. Big. B-I-G. Okay, kita kena double the last consonant. Kena what we call add the, kita doublekan the G, G and plus ER. Okay, big, the comparative adjective will become bigger. Fat, okay, ends with consonant. F-A-T, consonant, vowel, and consonant. B is consonant, I is vowel, huruf vokal, G is huruf consonant, B-I-G. And then, macam mana kita nak jadikan dia comparative adjective? Kita double the last consonant. Consonant yang terakhir kita akan kena buat dua, kena jadikan dua. B-I-G, dia akan jadi B-I-G-G, tambah lagi satu G and plus and add ER di belakang. Okay, ER. Jadi the comparative adjective is bigger. Okay, same goes to fat. Fat is F is consonant, A vowel, iaitu huruf vokal, and V, T, consonant. Okay, the last consonant, we need to double the T, it's become TT, and add ER. Okay, it's become, the comparative adjective will become fatter. Okay, sad, same goes to sad, sadder. Okay, so there is exception here. Few perkataan yang berakhir dengan huruf W just add ER sahaja. Fewer, lower, slower. Okay, yang perkataan dengan W kena add ER sahaja. Okay, Mu'alimah harap kamu boleh faham setakat ni. Okay, okay class. Okay, next. That's the short adjective. Okay, there are ada 4 keadaan untuk short adjective, and the second one is long adjective. Okay, adjective atau kata sifat yang panjang. For two syllables adjective not ending in Y. Okay, adjektif yang tidak berakhir dengan huruf Y. Kata sifat yang tidak berakhir dengan huruf Y, macam mana rule dia? We need to use more. Okay, more. Not ending with Y. For example, modern. We use more as comparative adjective. Modern, more modern. Tiring, more tiring. Careful, more careful. Okay, next we say with some two. Okay, syllable adjective, the rule is we can add er or r or use more. Er or r, or we can use more. With some two syllables adjective, for example clever, kita boleh tambah er di belakang, cleverer, or we use more clever for the comparative adjective. Simple, simple, simpler. Okay, for comparative adjective, simpler, or we can use more simple. Handsome, handsomer, or more handsome. So this syllable adjective with some two, we can add the er or r, or use the word more for the comparative adjective. Okay, next. For all adjective of 3 or more syllable, we use more. Okay, adjektif yang ada 3 ataupun 4 syllable. Expensive. Okay, expensive, we use more. Okay, more expensive, more beautiful, more interesting. Okay, this word we use more for the comparative adjective. Okay, next. Okay, this one is irregular adjective. Irregular adjective are adjective that do not change from adding er or more. Okay, kita memang akan tukar, memang betul-betul tukar. Okay, rule do not add er or use more for irregular adjective. For example, good, memang kita akan 100% change to the better. Comparative adjective for good is better. Bad, worse. Far, further. Okay, this is the irregular adjective. Kita memang tak akan tambah er or more, kita akan guna perkataan baru. Comparative adjective dia kena tukar yang baru. Okay, so okay, we will take a look on the example. Use the pictures given to compare your opinions. Okay, tengok gambar sebelah. I think, for the answer is yes, you right, or I think, really, I think. Okay, so I think lemon is smaller than watermelon. Lemon is smaller than watermelon. Yes, you are right. Yes, you are right. Okay, lemon is smaller than watermelon. Okay, so the next one is I think lemon is smaller than watermelon. Okay, for the answer is really, I think watermelon is smaller than lemon. This is what we call example. Okay, kita akan buat comparison between these two things. Okay, watermelon and lemon. Okay, next one. The task, I want you to take a look on activity book page 15. You answer the question, all the question on the page 15, and the textbooks page 17. Exercise 1 and exercise 2, you need to copy into your exercise books. Okay, the activity book, you answer all the question on the page 15, and on textbooks page 17, just exercise 1 and exercise 2. Copy into your exercise books and answer the question. So see you in next class. We will discuss the answer of the task given. Please make sure you complete the work before the next class. Okay, kita akan jumpa di kelas minggu depan. Muallimah harap kamu jawab semua soalan yang muallimah bagi tadi, the task given, and kita akan discuss dalam kelas yang seterusnya. Pastikan buat tau. InsyaAllah kita jumpa di kelas yang seterusnya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.